But you letting him go good. I'm gonna leave him a little long. I know you're going on vacation. I can see you looking at me too. You were peering over like, how short is she gonna cut him?
You can cut the big one. The big one don't even. Yeah, that's big ridiculous.
I try not to let my facial expressions tell what's really on my mind.
I haven't got nobody's touched my feet in a minute either.
I can tell. All right, let me stop being shady. Okay, let me stop having jokes. You know, I tease. I kid a lot. I'm a lighthearted
I'm
person.
wearing socks, so hey.
Okay. Now file this smooth. I prefer to file than to cut a lot. Yeah, I can give that a nice shape. How many people total going on the trip?
Like 8 of us.
Oh, okay, that's a big.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And y'all traveled before?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, yeah, then y'all be fine. Yeah, I got my little travel group too. We always travel together. You can't travel with everybody.
Yeah, you cannot. And it's hard to even. I feel like this one is easy because we just did it last minute.
Mm-hmm.
So we just put stuff together. But usually, like when you plan it and you try to get different people to come, it's just horrible.
Mm-hmm. I mean, that's one thing I really like. If I want to have a vacation from the vacation,
Yeah.
you read my mind with that, you know. Like, I legitimately will not leave the hotel room until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Like, I'm in there just
And there's other people that wake up at 7 in the morning
ready to do some stuff. Mm-hmm. Not me. You know, I'm not gonna front. Some of the excursions are dope. I got one friend, you know, he'll wake up at 5 in the morning to go like hot air ballooning over Istanbul or something like that. Like, okay, that's cool. That's really cool.
Dang.
But don't ask me to do that 2 days in a row or go do something else.
Yeah.
Like,
You got one day out of me.
I'm gonna get my little picture for Instagram and I'm gonna carry on.
What made you start doing this?
I saw there was a need. I was doing general podiatry over in the Memorial Hermann system, and it just wasn't. People kept asking me about stuff like this, and then also, to be quite frank, when I was working in an office that was primarily like insurance based and things of the sort, you know how it is. The doc's in and out of the room in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And in this, I can spend more time. I can talk to you, kind of get to know you.
Mm-hmm.
Let a little personality shine through, so this is why I got into it. Well, yeah, that was satisfying to get that piece out like that. It was really satisfying. And then I'm one of those people that kind of likes to pick at things by nature.
That is me.
Uh-huh.
So are you one of those people that like to watch like pimple people kind of?
Uh-huh. I'm a big fan of that, yeah. I watch a lot of those. Oddly enough, I don't watch my own videos.
I was watching them. I'm like, where does he find these people at?
And lo and behold, now you're in the chair. You would be surprised too. There's so many people that just don't know that this even exists. Mm-hmm. And I mean, you'll have some folks that come in and they're well put together, hair done, clothes look immaculate, the whole nine, and they pull off those shoes and they're like, all right, I can help you. Okay, yeah, now flatten that nail out. There we go. Nice, a nice little square for you. All right, my pedicure, straighten that out. get back. Yeah. All right, now I know you're going on vacation and all, but I'm anti-white toes, so you may have to pick a different color. No, don't tell me you were ready with the white polish.
No, but I always get white. But no, I can do another color. But I love white.
For those of y'all that couldn't see on camera, I just gave her a dirty look. I don't know why I'm anti-white toes. I know y'all in the comments are gonna be defending white toes.
I always say I'm gonna get a different color.
Today is the day. What do you know? Won't he do it?
Yes, and then it's like, I should have got white.
No, as I've been told, if you're not paying for it, then you can't say anything about it. So, I'm just gonna be quiet and just do my job and carry on about my day and leave y'all alone. I was looking to see what color polish you have on your hands. You don't even have any on your hands yet.
My first step was to get these toes and feet right.
Yeah, feet are gonna be right.
I actually haven't done anything to my nails or anything in a minute. Well, because of work too.
I would say being in the medical profession, you can't have, what is it, an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch nail or something like that. My mother, before she went back to the emergency room, was in education. I remember she was like, I was always fussing at these nursing students. Cut your nails, cut your nails. She would keep a nail clipper in her pocket and would cut these girls' nails. Some places are more, I kind of understand too, because it gets you into because you got to condition you to be ready to work anywhere. And I think we as a society are a lot more lax. Because even when I was in school, when I was studying medicine, you couldn't have, guys had to cut their hair.
Oh yeah, like their facial.
Facial hair had to be trimmed, and you couldn't have long hair on your head either. And a couple guys with dreads were cutting their hair and things of the sort. It was like, well, this is what you wanted to do. You got to cut it. They weren't. I also worked at a smaller private religious hospital, but they weren't trying to hear it.
Yeah, I think while I worked in we got a nurse with purple hair, nose piercing, and she has one of those ones that's yes.
Oh, septum piercing.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the other nurses be talking about it, but ain't nobody told her nothing.
Yeah, if the nurse manager doesn't have a problem with it.
Yeah. They're more relaxed. Yeah, she's on it.
Yeah, that was so nice. It's so satisfying to pull that little piece out. All down in here. All right, your feet are gonna look a whole lot better. I'm gonna let you soak for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna put a keratin bag on there. These heels of yours, yeah, they're gonna be notch when we're all done. So it's just gonna soften and kind of get some of that skin to slough off. It's not like that foot peel stuff, but got a little antifungal, a little antibacterial, all that going on. Overall, the nails look pretty good. We're just gonna massage that into the toes. Got nice and warm for you too. Might be comfortable. Pamper you a bit. And we probably, I'll let you know about positioning. I may have you flip back over again so we can get the heels real good, and then we'll get these nails painted. You'll be good to go. Have any questions for me?
No, you answered most of everything.
Oh, by the way, this is what I was talking about. You see how it's like the, and there's no like creases or anything in it, so it's one solid piece. And then these are just, this is like 80 grit, pretty much sandpaper with a sticker on it. And then you just stick it on here. And then this is the softer side. It's like a 180 or a 200 grit. And you stick that here. And then when I'm all done with using it for you, this can be sanitized and then sterilized, and you just peel this piece off and throw it away. And you throw all the foot gunk away from that. And you'll see, once it's all said and done, you're like, man, the cheese grater never got it that nice. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time. I'm gonna slide out of the way.
How much would it be for a manicure?
We charge 40 for the
40.
manicure.
Do y'all have time to?
Yes, would you like me to do your hands? Okay. Yes. Would you just put a little bit of this and we'll start.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're trying to do. Can you leave them like